How to use saved audio in Instagram story. If any day you like a music in very Instagram and you save the audio of the very Instagram story out there and you want to put the very music to your Instagram story, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Instagram on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Instagram for a while. After you tap on Instagram for a while, your Instagram will be launched. After that, you have to go to the Reels section on the downside. After you tap on the Reels section on the downside, you can see the various Reels out there. You have to scroll down until you find one of the best music that you like. If you like any of the music there, you have to tap on the very music section out downside, and after that you can see a screen like this. Now after you see a screen like this, you can see the option of the bookmark out on the top. You have to tap on the very option there and your very audio will be saved. Now you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the home screen out there. You have to go to the top and you have to go to the option of the Your Story. And you have to click on the plus icon out there. And then you have to go to the option of the camera, drafts, or the photos. You can go to the option of the photos as well. After you go to the option of photos, you have to tap on any of one picture that you like to keep. For example, I tapped on very this picture. After that, you have to go to the option of the sticker on the top. After you go to the option of the sticker on the top, you can see the option of music there. You have to tap on the option of music. And after you tap on the option of the music, you can see two options for you and browse. You can go to the option of the browse out there. Now, if there is any option of the saved music, you can tap on the very saved musics out there. Otherwise, you have to go to the option of for you. Now, since here the saved music has not been found, it may be because your very Instagram is not updated. Therefore, you have to go back and you have to go to the Instagram section and you have to go to the I option out there. After you go to the I option out there, you have to go down. You have to go to the option of the very app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, if there is any update available, you have to go to the option of update and you have to update it. And this way, you can add the music to your very Instagram story. Thank you for watching our video. And if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.